8 proper cocktails for your convenience.
Let's see how much you get here. That's a
All
good
right,
pour.
That's perfect. Oh, no.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again for another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we are mixing things up a little bit different, pun intended, because we have what I found online to be a pre-mixed Old Fashioned that you can get in mini cans. The company is called Tip Top. They actually make a few different kind of cocktails, but somebody sent it to me online. I said, I have to try this. And next to me today, I have none other than
Kevin Bednar's owner, Ashburn and Purcellville Pubs.
the man, myth, legend. Today we're at Kev's house, which is in an undisclosed location. Don't worry about where this man lives. But yeah, I think this is cool. My expectations aren't super high.
I've never seen it.
Yeah.
I've never seen anybody, I don't think I've seen anybody do an old fashioned in a can, so.
Yeah. So this is the packaging. I kept it closed just so you guys can see the packaging. Typically what we do is 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on the restaurant's ambiance. Since we're not at a restaurant, and since these are cocktails that you're gonna make at home on your own, I feel like the appearance and the overall ambiance should be kind of just thrown out the window. And we're just gonna rate the overall taste of the drink 0 through 10.
Okay.
But this is the packaging. Nice packaging. You get 8 cans. It was $35, $10 shipping. Wish they had free shipping. I'd rather pay $45 with free shipping than $35 with $10 shipping. But
Does it say what kind of whiskey?
it doesn't. It just says made with whiskey, sugar, bitters. I guess that would be.
I got low expectations, I gotta be honest, but I'm excited. Whiskey,
It's 74 proof. So, you know, this is gonna give you a little, it's not like drinking a beer. It's gonna give you it's gonna give you a kick, which I think is cool. Nice packaging. Yeah, here. So we'll just rip this open. It's not going too well.
How do you not like the ambiance? You got birds chirping?
Birds are out here. Cats are lost in the neighborhood. All right, so again, 8 cans. I do like the packaging. Again, we're not gonna do the appearance on the packaging, but
Let's see what's going on.
nice little small can, right?
All right.
I feel like after we're done with this, another day we should do like how many of these can we chug?
A lot.
Yeah.
37% alcohol, 74 proof, whiskey, sugar, bitters. All right.
Here goes nothing.
Let's see.
Tip Top
Old fashioned.
Old Fashioned.
8 proper cocktails for your convenience.
Let's see how much you get here. That's a
All
good
right, no, it's
pour.
perfect. Oh no. That's probably, what is that, 8 ounce?
100 milliliters. I will say it does smell strong.
Enjoy over ice straight from the can.
Well, let's just give a small taste and then we'll talk about
Fabulous
it.
appearance.
Cheers, brother.
That's
What do you
that's
think?
not terrible.
It's not terrible. It's not the best old
That's
fashioned
not-
I had. But listen, if I was going like camping or if I was going
Bro.
on like a trip,
Yeah.
I'm 1,000% like gonna get this instead of bringing the bitters, bringing the simple syrup,
Yep.
bringing the bourbon.
This tastes better than I expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's obviously not, you know.
No, but
10 out of
it
10,
doesn't
but-
taste cheap. Does that make
Yeah.
sense? Like I was waiting for like rail whiskey, like dirty whiskey. But they probably just put a bunch of sugar in average whiskey,
Yeah.
which is fine. But whatever they did, it's good. It's not too sweet either.
Yeah.
You would think they would sugar the crap out of it,
Yeah.
right, to make it.
I was expecting it actually to be pretty sweet.
It's all right. You might.
It actually
It's good.
It is good, and it's way stronger than I thought it was gonna be.
Yep. I thought it was gonna be like a White Claw old fashioned. Other people are doing it, but I haven't seen one like this. The
Yeah.
can is cool, right? Small size. I like it.
Yeah, everything's nice. And again, $45, so it's about $5 and change
Yep.
per can, which, you know, that's not bad.
What are we grading? 1 through 10?
Yeah, I mean, I guess the consistency is gonna remain the same on the first sip and the last sip and all that. So I guess we can just go 1 through 10.
I got cloudy ice cubes though.
Yeah, he doesn't have the clear ice, so, but you know.
I'm telling you, this is much better than I expected. My expectations were low, and with every sip, I'm getting more excited about the Tip Top Old Fashioned. I'm serious.
Tip Top. I like the name too. What do you think in 0 through 10? I got my score in my head. I'm curious to see what you think. I don't know, like, I don't mean to cut you
No.
off, but my expectations were super low, right?
The box looks good. It reminds me of zigzag rolling paper retro style, which is cool. The cans are awesome size.
Yeah.
Right? And it's not too sweet, and you get a nice amount.
Yeah.
I'm going to go 5.9.
5.9. That's a fair score.
Right? I mean, out of a can?
Yeah. I'm going to go 6.5. Only because, well, I think it's a 6.5. And again, if I walk into a 5-star restaurant, my expectations are going to be high.
But what if you walk into a 5-star restaurant and you see they got Tip Top? You will get one.
I'm going to be,
right? You'd be like, let me get a Tip Top just to be that guy.
But if you're on the go, you're going camping, you're doing a lake trip, you have a beach trip, these are good.
Yep.
They're good.
Yep.
Is it the best old fashioned you ever had in your life? Obviously, to make that into a can would be virtually like almost impossible.
But they cracked the code. I like it.
6.5, 5.9.
Yeah.
Kev Bednar's, Ashburn Pub, Purcellville Pub. Go support them. Go support all your local businesses. Big thanks to Tip Top. They also make, again, a few other cocktails in a can.
Let's try another one.
Maybe we should try a couple more, but that's what it is, guys. Virginia is for Grubbers. Appreciate you guys. Cheers.
Cheers.